How to fix screen share audio on Zoom. Hey everybody, in this video, I'll show you how to fix screen share audio on Zoom. To start this tutorial, I need you to go on a meeting over at Zoom. Once you're in Zoom, wait for it to connect this time. I will show you examples on when you will share your screen and muting and unmuting your microphone over at a Zoom meeting. Now let's wait for the meeting to load. For now, we are connecting. When we have connected with Zoom, all we gotta do right now is tap on Join with Computer Audio. Once in the meeting, you can choose to mute or unmute your microphone. Red slash means muted, no slash means unmuted. In here, we are currently unmuted. Now we're gonna share screen. We're gonna share our entire screen towards the meeting. You can also choose to either mute or unmute your microphone during the meeting while you're screen sharing. In here, I will choose to mute. And that's it. Please leave a like, share, and don't forget to comment. Hope you got some value, and see you on the next video.